Hello kids! Today we will learn 20 omnivore animals' name. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, let's begin. What are omnivore animals? An omnivore is an animal that gets its energy and nutrients from eating both plants and animals. Unlike herbivores, plant eaters, and carnivores, meat eaters, omnivores have a mixed diet, making them opportunistic feeders with more food choices than other diet types. Their teeth and digestive systems are suiting to processing both types of food. They often have flat molars for grinding plants and sharper teeth for tearing meat. Let's talk about 20 omnivore animals' names. Number 1. Bear. 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 Number 2. Crow. 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 Number 3. Chipmunk. 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 Number 4. Wild boar. Wild boar. Wild boar. Number 5. Hedgehog. 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 Number 6. Mouse. 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 Number 7. Squirrel. 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 Number 8. Baboon. 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 Number 9. Raven. 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 Number 10. Raccoon. 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 Number 11. Duck. 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 Number 12. Seagull. 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 Number 13. Coyote. 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 Number 14. Reptile. 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 Number 15. Opossum. 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 Number 16. Chicken. 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 Number 17. Mandrill. 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 Number 18. Pig. 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 Number 19. Emu. 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 Number 20. Chimpanzee. 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 Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel General Knowledge Laboratory and press the bell icon to never miss new video update. Take care.